Anterior cingulate cortex is used to the treatment of blepharospasm or alcohol addiction. Make the circumferential measurement in sagittal plane from mesian, the point between the nose and the forehead, to inian, the most prominent tuber on the back of the skull. This distance equals 32 centimeters. And on this line, mark CZ point that lies right at the middle, or at the distance of 16 centimeters from the mesian or from the inian. At the CZ point, look for the hot spot for the motor evoked potential for the lower limbs, for example, for the tibialis anterior muscles. After defining hot spot, take 4 centimeters from these hot spots towards mesian and mark anterior cingulate cortex point.